So today we'll be discussing about Pushover. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here and search for Pushover. Here it is. You have to install it first. Here you can choose any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts and you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will allow you to also automatically install in the future. But now we will be just choosing a specific account, the location one, continue with that and allow install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Now we will be moving forward towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step we will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Pushover for workflows. Here we are. As you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose location 1. We are on location 1 now and we have to get our app configured. To do that, so you have to find for app configuration down below in the navigation bar, and here you have to search for Pushover. You have to get it configured. To do that, so we need the API key. You have to create an account for Pushover, and in the section, you will be finding the API key. You have to basically just create your own new application, and from there, it will be providing the API key to you, and you have to copy paste that API key here. Let me show you how to do that. We have already created Pushover's account, and here you will be finding the integrations in the menu bar, and from there you will be entering the data that is required. Let's say we are setting an example for the time being. You have to enter the basic data, and after that, by checking this one, you can just create your own application for the API token. Here it is. As you can see, it is providing you with the API token. You have to copy paste this API key there. Let's do this. After doing so, you have to just submit and it will be successfully configured now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automation. So just check on with the workflows that actions are working correctly or not. Let's just create workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and find for pushover. You can see it here. Pushover for workflows allows you to send messages and you can use this action into your workflows. Basically, you have to enter this data here that is required. You have to enter the user ID, the user device, the title, the message, and the sound. Let's find the user ID. Let me show you where to find it. When you just create your own pushover account, it will automatically appear as your user key here. You have to copy this one and paste it here. After that, you can just enter the user device name. We will be using some static data to set an example right now. And with that, the sound allows you with a drop down and you can choose from these sounds. We will choose the sound for pushover and save the whole. Now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any contact and run the test. Now we will be heading towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully. It is that simpler. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.